Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can reserve flights online without paying. So here I'm going to use the Philippines Airlines. So they have this feature which is the hold my fare. So first thing that we are going to do here is to open their website. After that, you just have to log into your account or sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. Then after that, you just have to choose your departure and your destination. So for example, flying from Manila, Philippines, going to Cebu, Philippines. All right. And then, of course, your departure date. So I'm just going to select the one-way ticket for this one. Okay. And I'm going to select December 4th, 2025, and then tap on the search flights option. Okay. And then after that, you just have to look for the hold my fare option. So on the booking page, so let me just select my flight right here. For example, we want this one. Okay, so I'm just going to select the economy value. Okay, so tap on select after that and tap on the keep economy value. So on the booking page, you just have to check for the hold my fare button or checkbox. So important note that not all fares are eligible for hold. Usually on the promo or value fares have this option. Okay, so if you can find that option, then you just have to tap on it. All right, and then next is you just have to review the fare and hold details. So after that, you just have to put here your information. Okay, and then PAL usually allows you to hold your fare for 24 hours. So you will see like reservation fee or deadline to pay before the hold expires. So you just have to confirm the hold after that. So enter your passenger details, click hold my fare reserve, and then you will receive the booking reference or the PNR, and then your itinerary confirmation email, and then you just have to pay before the deadline. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.